How to add a clock to home screen or add a dual clock on your home screen, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, you can't see any clock on your home screen. To add a clock widget on home screen, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the widgets at the bottom. Here, scroll down until you can see the clock option on your phone. Tap on a clock. Now here you can see the alarm, analog clock, digital clock, and dual clock option. So you can set your favorite as a dual clock if you want to show two countries time. Also you can see the digital clock or analog clock. You can also see different faces. Let's see some example. Here we select this analog clock. So long press it and it will move to your home screen like this. Again long press and move it like this. Now long press it to see the different clock style you set. Tap on a setting gear icon on your device. Now here you can see the list of different style match font setting. You can select light also or dark you want to set. You can choose the clock style for home screen you want to set. Here we select this clock style on my device. Also set the dark theme, light theme or match font setting. So we select the match font setting. So tap on a save to save clock style on the lock screen on your home screen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. Tap on a save. Now you can see save the home screen clock style. To change it again, tap and hold the blank space. Tap on a setting. Here you can select another clock style. That's it. To remove it, tap and hold it. Tap on a remove to remove the clock from the home screen. That's it. If you like it, share it.